Wesley Cordick with IntelliDrive. We're at the National Farm Machinery Show, and we're showcasing our section control and variable rate for our 1900 and 1910 carts. We're changing the meter housings out completely, making it stainless, and we're going from the 4-inch meter wheel to 9 1/4 to make it more gentle on crops. Here's our cartridge assembly that will be put on each run underneath the bin. So it'll be a larger diameter gear running. This would be our 20 to 150 pound meter assembly. Here's our canola and small grain meter wheel. Again, this is all stainless steel for corrosion resistance. Also this year we're introducing our case commodity cart section control. If you need any more information, visit www.intellidriveusa.com or call 866-216-9610.